So I took my exhaust off. I had a Flowmaster Catback 40 series, or I still have it, but it's just off my truck. And I'm straight piping it now, so I'm gonna weld these two pipes together and put this little flange on that I have, or that I had cut. My friend just informed me that it's like coated in this aluminized bullshit, so it's like galvanized steel kind of. So just, if you're gonna do it, grind away at your where you're gonna weld it, and then you're good to go. So I took it apart obviously and kind of cleaned up the edge on that, and then so this is the first time I actually walked the cup on something beside the scrap piece. Clearly right there I was trying to just dab it, and then I started walking the cup right there. And I mean, it's not the best. Well, I'm getting better. And hopefully one day I'll get a welding positioner so I can just continue to weld it and not have to fucking roll it every 2 seconds. But until then, I have to do it this way. So, I did it all with the stainless steel rod, because, I don't know, Alright, well that's it for today.